Hello, I'm Cheryl and Fitri. In this video, we will share the tutorial on how to use Mendeley desktop. So, here are the group members. There are Syifa Khofifah, Resviana, Sofia Damayanti, Muhammad Adlan, Faishal, and me. But before we go to the tutorial, I'll explain what Mendeley is. So, Mendeley is a company based in London and UK, which provides products and services for academic researchers. It is most known for its references manager, which manages and shares research papers and generates bibliographies for scholarly articles. There are some projects from Mendeley, but in this video, we will more focusing about Mendeley Desktop. Mendeley Desktop is the downloaded part of the software installed into your computer. And Mendeley Desktop is the original reference manager based on the Qt framework on Microsoft Word, Mac OS, and Linux. So there's a simple definition of Mendeley. Next, we are moving into the tutorial.
Hello everyone, so right now I will give you the tutorial on how to make a folder and how to upload references to Mendeley. Alright, let's start with how to create a folder. So it's pretty simple actually. You can see here in the list and in the bottom, you can see create folder. You just need to click on it and type the folder name you want. For me, I will name my folder with digital literacy because I will upload some references regarding to it. Alright, and then that's it. It's just that simple. And then we will move on to how to upload references into Mendeley. Actually, there are two main ways to upload it. First one is manually, and then the second one is automatically. To upload it manually, the step is like this. You can see the add icon here, then the inverted triangle, you just click on it. There's add files folders from your computer, watch folder to see or to choose before you choose the file you want to upload, and then you choose add entry manually. So this is how you can input your data manually about your references. And the first thing you have to do is to choose the type of the references. It can be book or film or journal article, etc. And right now I will choose book. So the title here I have book a literature, for example, a literature for children. And then for the author's name, don't forget that we have to reverse it. It means that we put the last name first and then followed by the first name. For example, the author's name of this book is Len Unsworth, so it could be Unsworth, Len. And then you can fill the rest of information regarding your references. And then once you finish, click Save. Alright, and then to upload the references automatically, we can add the files or the folder that contains the files from your computer. For example, I will upload these files as my references. Open. And then that way, it's just automatically filled like the title and then the authors and then just the details of the references I used. For all of them, we don't have to enter it manually. It's done.
And now, after adding the files into Mendeley desktop application, we have to check and correct some files first before we use it in the citation. Because sometimes the application couldn't recognize some file references, or even sometimes it recognized the file, but it has wrong details. So, in this occasion, I will show you how to correct and repair the references in Mendeley. And to make the video duration not too long, I will only show one example for each type of references. Well, let's try it out. Okay, first we open the file by double-clicking on it, and we can see here, this is a book. So make sure the type of reference is book. A book references must contain a title, an author, the page, publication year, city, and the publisher. So make sure now the title is E-Literature for Children. Meanwhile, in this Mendeley reference, it is incorrect, so we have to correct it. And you have to know that APA 7 style, the title must be in a lowercase, except for some inclusion like the first word, abbreviation, and place. For the author is Len Unsworth, so this is incorrect. Unsworth, comma, Len. For the year publication, there you are, 2005. For the volume and issue, it is not necessary, so we delete it. For the page, it is 160. The city is Abingdon. And the publisher is Taylor and Francis E. Library. So that's all for this citation. Next, this is a book chapter. For book chapter, we have to choose the type to book section. Same as before, book reference must contain a title, author, page, year of publication, city, and the publisher. By the way, the author seems like it's already correct. For the year publication, yes, it is 2019. For the volume, I don't know, maybe it's already correct. For the pages, it's correct. The publisher, American Chemical Society. And for the city, it is Washington, D.C. Next section. Alright, for a journal article, make sure that the type is journal article. A journal article must contain the title, the author, the journal name, the volume, issue, and the page. For the author, so far it's so good. The journal name, it is Education Science, yes, correct. And for the publication, 2019. And for the page, maybe it is 1 to 10. Overall information is already correct. Next, alright, this is the proceeding. Make sure the type is conference proceedings. It is similar to journal, but it has the publisher. So the publisher is UMP Press. And for the author, it seems it is right. Proceeding title, it's correct. The year, the volume, and the page, I think it's already correct. Alright, so that is how to correct reference in Mendeley desktop application.
Or the tutorial how to make this citation with Mendeley. There are single citation and also out citation. So without any further ado, I'm going to share the screen first. So here is my screen. I already write single citation and also which there are direct citation and also indirect citation in single citation. And number two, there I'm going to explain about the out citation for you. And before we start, you need to install the Mendeley application, as my partners already said, and you need to plug in the Mendeley into the Microsoft Word so that the Mendeley can be automatically in your Microsoft Word. So it makes you easier to use the Mendeley application. So without any further ado, let's just do the staging. So I already got these sentences from this book, Literature for Children. So I'm going to use this sentence to make the direct citation. Okay. Make the wrong copy paste. Here I need to make it copy paste, do the copy paste, and then scope complex. So this means the direct citation needs the 4 marks. And then after that, we already have the this kind of sentences. You can just directly start to insert the citation. But before that, we need to remember our book name, or example, the author name. So the author name is Andrea, and remember the book title is Literature for Children. So let's do the insertion here. Then search by the author, which is Andrea Michael Andrea. It is Michael Andrea. You can write Andrea here, and the title is just the same. So it's the same which with what book that you wanted that you are searching for here. After that, remember that in direct citation you need what's that page number in the citation. So because of that, you need to remember the page of the text. So if you forget about that, you can just directly go to the Mendeley and find the page number here. So this one is number 12. So ours is number 11, right? This book, Literature for Children, and the author is Michael. So we already know that our page is number 11, so you can directly write it here. You just this author first, then you type it 11 here. Then you press OK. Okay, so it comes up or pops up automatically in your Microsoft Word. It is easy, right? So we are going to go to the indirect citation. So I'm going to use the sentence, the same sentence actually. So it's just the same if you do indirect citation. If you want to insert the citations, it's just the same. But to do the indirect citation, you need to do the paraphrase and yeah, kind of paraphrase, or you can make it shorter than the exact sentence. So I'm going to paraphrase this sentence first. Okay, I already make the paraphrase of the sentence so that I can go just directly insert the citation. Don't forget to put the name of the author here, and remember the what's that the the book title, and just click OK. Then it is automatically comes on your screen. This is cool. So next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do the observation. So what is that? I'm going to make the basic one example according to example. I already marked this sentence, which from page one pen. So I'm going to write one pen here. According to one pen, the internet is here. Yeah? The what is that? I'm going to read it. The internet is a large network of computers that contains information and technology tools that anybody with an internet connection can access. So to make the out citation, we need to do the paraphrase of this sentence again. So I'm going to make the paraphrase of this sentence, of that sentence. So I already made these what's that? I already made this station, right? So we haven't made the the citation of with Mendeley. So how do we make the citation? Which we need the the year of the book too, but there is no year here. So because I haven't made it. So we need to make it to insert the citation here. According to we put the author also Wempen, right? Read Wempen here. The book title is just the same here. Digital literacy for the dummies. I'm going to click, and because it is not the same of the single station, so we need to suppress the outer, because we already okay. Wempen. Sorry, it should be it should be you should be write the author first here and then do the citation. Wempen again here. Then because it is different from the single citation, you need to suppress the order here. Then click OK. That it is automatically citated with Mendeley. So if you need to if you want to put the okay, so the next thing, you can do it manually actually. So if you if you want to make it like double references which has the same idea, you can just do this kind of things and put the insert citation. And if you want to know let's just use Becker. This K-talk, them, K-talk, yeah, them. So you just need to do this insert citation and find the name of the others here, them. That click, then click OK. So they already citated by the Mendeley, but you can't change it manually. I don't edit it manually, just like this. Right. Then there is the automatically notification, but you can just press the keep manual edit button. That's the manual that we already make here is C. So that's all, I guess. So it must be in here, right? Because the year, right? Right. So that's all, I guess. So this is the example of single citation and out citation that I already make for you. I hope you understand about the explaining. I think that's all. I hope you understand about all of this Mendeley stuff. And for the other example will be explained by my friends, my other friends. So thank you for watching me.
Now I'm going to tell you how to make citation with page in Microsoft Word. First, you have to go Mendeley, then you choose the sentence you want to cite. You have to remember the name of the author and the page of the sentence. Then copy and paste it on Microsoft Word. After that, because you didn't paraphrase the sentence, you have to put the quotation mark on it. Here is the example. To insert the citation with page, you have to click the reference, then click Insert Citation. After that, type the name of the author, click the file and click OK. Next step is click the author name of the article, then the screen will be seems like this. Then you type the correct page and click OK, and finally the citation with page done. Next is how to merge citation in Microsoft Word. Merge citation is if two separate citations appear together. You may want to combine this into a single reference for style purposes. For example, the sentence is combined paraphrased by two authors that has the same main idea in different articles. Things that you should remember is who are the authors that have the same idea. Because this is not direct quotation, you don't need to put the quotation mark. To merge citation, you can click Insert, then type the first author, then click OK, and then do the same step with the second author. Click the Insert, then type the name of the author and click OK. After we got to citation, then block the citation and then choose the merge citation. Finally, the citation has been merged. The last tutorial is how to insert bibliography in Microsoft Word. This is example of text that have several citations. A bibliography lists all references used to create a piece of writing. To create bibliography, one thing you should do is only click the Insert Bibliography and the references will appear automatically. That's all from me. Thank you. Back to moderator.
Alright, these are the tutorial on using the Mendeley desktop from our group. Thank you so much for watching. See you.